Do you have a farm? Are you tired of wasting water and fertilizer using outdated methods? With today's AI technology and satellite imagery, traditional farming is becoming something of the past. Meet the SOWIT mobile app. We use the latest technologies in remote sensing, agronomy, and AI to take your farm to the next level. Enjoy unlimited access to vegetation and water comfort indexes, as well as weather forecasts. Receive recommendations from our agronomers at any time. Obtain daily irrigation needs for every sector. Get access to zoned maps and optimize your fertilization. Know exactly when to harvest your silage corn at the best quality possible. Use our advanced algorithms to predict your yields. Go further by deep diving on a specific point of your field by using our IoT tools for a thorough comprehension and to address specific issues. Contact our team for support and enjoy our precise agriculture services. Download the app on your smartphone. SOWIT. Unleash the potential of your land.